welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Zakia and I'm back again with another video. So before we get into today's video, remember to like, comment and subscribe and turn on your post notifications so that you'll be notified anytime I drop a new video. So today's video, I will be giving you guys 20 plus business ideas you can do either as a side hustle or like as a main thing you are doing, like, you understand. Please, they are working around my house, like not in my house but in the next house, so if you hear any noise, kindly pardon me. All right, so I have written everything down in my book and I'll be reading from the book. And the first idea is food selling, or selling food. Food is something that is so constant. No matter what you do, if someone wakes up in the morning, the person has to eat. It's K, you have to eat unless you are doing fasting. And like someone cannot do fasting for every day or something. So like food, selling food, you know how to cook. What are you using the cooking for? You just cook. Your friends will come, oh give me stew. I'm not saying don't give people, or like giving is good and all, but then like, oh give me small stew, oh give me small rice, oh give me small this, oh give me small that. Do you understand? Yeah, so like you have to cook and sell. Maybe you do some small stew somewhere. Like personally, I sell watching in school and I put it on hold for some time, but then I'll be starting again. The second point I have here is selling ladies bags and shoes. I'm starting with my two businesses. Like I sell food and then I sell bags and dresses and stuff like that. So like those two are like key. I had to mention them to, like, you know, first. Selling ladies bags. Ladies like spending, my dear. Ladies like spending. So if you are selling ladies bags, shoes, dresses, and we ladies too, unless we don't see and it's nice, we will buy. Like you can make something small of that thing and then use to eat. Do you understand? Yeah. The third point is learning how to edit. Like you are editing video editing and graphic design, sweetheart. In this current age of technology, and a lot of people are doing YouTube, it's not everyone that knows how to edit videos. So imagine you are a video editor and like you edit videos for people. Some people edit for like videos for people in like one video they'll take like 50 Ghana and they'll edit the video nice, you understand, for like YouTube and stuff like that. And people can call you to do short videos. Like when they do their short videos, they can bring it to you to sell to edit. And that editing, some people take 50 cedis, some people take 100, 200. Like bro, imagine you get 5 videos to edit in a day. How much is that? How much is that? So like you can learn how to edit video, and now when you go on YouTube, you can easily find how to edit videos on YouTube. So yeah. The fourth point is wig, like making wig caps. We have to talk plenty about this thing. Like you know how to do the wig, then you are doing it for free. For what reason? Sweetheart, nowadays girls don't like wasting their time like sitting down and braiding for like 3 years and they will not finish. So if you know how to do wig caps, or you learn how to do wig caps, sweetheart, you get the money to go and buy the wigs and do the caps, like the wig caps, and put them down and sell. Someone can just bring their wig. You just take like some people take 50, 40. You understand? Like just for doing the wig for you. Aside your like the wig, the tools that they will need, like their workmanship is 40 cedis. And you can also do it for like 20 cedis. Maybe you are in school and you don't want people to say your things are expensive or something, so you can do it for like just 20 cedis. And let's say 4 people bring wigs for you to do their wig caps for them, you've made money. That's like 100 cedis. So I'm not saying they will constantly bring it too, but then like you understand, someone will definitely bring. Okay, so the next point is selling jewelry. Baby, is there everything I will tell you? Although let me tell you something. Ladies nowadays, they like knuckle rings like, just for life. They like chains, anklets, earrings. Like, bro, you can just take them thing. I'm not saying it for only the ladies. There are some guys who also sell jewelry. Like, you just go to Accra, you will get ring. Sometimes they've done it plenty, 5 cedis, plenty 2 cedis, and they'll come and sell it for us 5 cedis, 10 cedis. So imagine you are selling the rings, and nowadays, like, girls like rings. If they see it and you pick nice ones, oh sweetheart, do I need to tell you? You get money now. You get money. The next one is cake making. Darling, baby, cake dear, birthdays, parties. Some people they do these cakes in cups and or they sell it 10 cedis, 12 cedis, 15 cedis. Like, sweetheart, you can get a lot of money from making, like making cakes. Like, just cake in a cup. You see small disposable cup, then they'll make cake inside. They're selling it 7 cedis. Do you know the amount of money you can get from there? And like, you don't need to go and pay like 30 million before you learn how to make cake. Go on YouTube, search how to make like red velvet cake, how to make strawberry cake, how to make chocolate cake, sweetheart, and you will get so many simple ways that you can use to learn. Like, baby, it's so simple. The next one is YouTube. I don't need to say plenty. Look at me now. YouTube. Let me tell you. Once you are able to get the minimum requirement and you are able to get monetized and you are getting the views and all, like, I know people who are making $100 a month. $100. What they buy a year? Ghana cedis more saying. And people make more than that. People get $500, people get $1,000. Like, so far as you are getting the views, you are working hard, giving people content that they want to watch and all, you are making searchable content. Like, baby, you can make money. Me right now, I have not been monetized yet. They are not paying me. But then I believe that, like, when I work hard, I can get this subscribers and then the minimum watch time hours, and then I can be monetized. You get some small money from there, at least, even if it's not too much. You can get something small and then use to, like, manage yourself small. Yeah. The next point is hairdressing or making hair braids and all. Baby, in as much as some girls nowadays don't like going to the salon to go and sit down for like long time and all, bro, you can get customers when you are braiding hair, because maybe the person doesn't want to go and sit in the salon and someone will come and do washing and waste their time. Someone will come and do retouching, like, you understand, they will leave you and go and do that person's hair for hair and all, like all those things. Like, person or back wasting the time was salon. So you go and learn how to braid, and then when you learn how to braid, like, you can be braiding your friend's hair in school. 30 cedis, you get money. Like, it won't come plenty, but then definitely there will always be someone who wants to braid their hair in school or at home. Even if you are living in compound house and you learn how to braid and you are braiding for the people, like the people you are in the same house with and all, and they go out, hey, who braided your hair for you? Oh, my friend in the house and all. Like, they will bring other people, like they will bring customers for you. Do you understand? The next point is beads making. Now, beads making has become fashion. People buy tummy beads. It's not waist or tummy, they put it on their tummy. Those who have flat tummy, not those who have gagba like my own. But those who have flat tummy, sometimes they buy tummy beads, they put it on their tummy. They sell 150 cedis, 20 cedis, like even waist beads. Now a lot of girls like wearing waist beads. So like you can get, you understand, you can do it. Some people are selling 1 5 cedis, and the beads you get plenty in a pack, like 20 cedis and all. You can do beads, you can do beads bag. Like you just have to learn how to do it and sell, and you can make some small money off that. Do you understand? The next one is sewing dresses. Although nowadays this African print thing has become fashion. People want African print bags, people want African print dresses, people want African print shoes, African print everything, even earring. And people are selling African print bags 150, 200 cedis. And tomorrow 1 year they say. And let me tell you something. This African print bag, when you're making it, I know, like I do some. I'm revealing my secret here. I do some. Sometimes the foam is expensive and sometimes the jeans is expensive. But if you are doing only African print and stiff, and you're selling for 50 cedis, oh sister, and you can use 1 yard if you are making it with only stiff. And if it's not a school bag and it's a ladies bag, you can use 1 yard of entoma to make 2, 3. I'm telling you, because I saw some, and you can make money off it. You can make money off it. Oh, in fact, I will be doing a training very soon. I can come and teach you in your house, or we can decide to meet somewhere. Me, my house there, you can't come here. Like, I will teach you how to make the African print bag, and you pay me. I can't give you idea for free. I can't give you skills for free. You pay me, okay? I love you. You know I love you, right? It's my mouth. Oh my god, don't mind me, guys. So makeup, you learning doing makeup, sweetheart, graduation, matriculation, birthdays, parties, everything. People like to do makeup, and it's not every girl. Me, I don't know how to do makeup. It's not every girl that knows how to do makeup like me now. So you can be doing makeup. When I was doing my matriculation, someone came around to come and do our makeup for us. Even though me, I didn't pay. But then there was this lady, like when she was doing the makeup, everyone that comes, it's like 50 cedis, and she give you a full face makeup. It's not full face because she didn't use primer. She just used foundation. She didn't even do this contours or whatever they call it. She didn't do contour, she didn't do bronzer, she didn't do anything. Okay, there are some people who did it, but then they were taking 15 cedis, 20 cedis. If you wanted to be glamorous and yeah, she was taking 20 cedis. And when I went there were already like 7 people there. Can't say, even if it is 20 cedis, 7 people is 140 cedis. And like other people came when I left, and before that they said na honolai. And imagine she did it for 20 girls that day for matriculation. 20 times 20 is not 400 cedis. Hadn't she gotten her money? And aside matriculation and then the graduation and all, like there are some people who are doing graduation makeup 50 cedis, 70 cedis. You can learn it and go and do, even if you are not a student. If you go around and say, oh, I do makeup and this, that, you can get money from that. Okay, yeah. Graphic design, I've already said that one, but you can learn how to make logos, flyers, thumbnails, everything, and then you can make money from it. Or beat me a logo back, come on, 500 cedis, because logos are very important in businesses and all, like, you understand. So like logos, flyers, everything, you understand, you can make money from that. And nails fixing, I'll use Annie as example. Annie posts decent fashion today. I'm mentioning your name in my video. I'll put her picture here. I'll use Annie as an example. She fixes nails at Oguaho. And me, she's the one who fixes my nails for me in school. For real. She's the one who fixes my nails for me. And Annie will fix your nails for you and take 7 cedis. She will go and buy nails or like, it's understandable. There are some people who fix nails and take 15, but Annie takes 7. And there are a lot of girls who go and fix their nails at Annie's place. So imagine a day Annie fixes 5 people or 6 people. 7 times 6, it's a lot of money. See, we always say that there is no job around. Entrepreneurship is difficult. You don't know what to do. You don't have the business idea. The business idea is all over. It's in our environment. She fixes your nails for you, 7 cedis. She will clean your nails and put paint, 5 cedis. She does your toes for you, like your leg, and she will clean it and do, she will treat your nails and put Q-tests on it. Please, that one is 3 cedis for all the legs. Imagine if someone fixes the nails and does the 2 nails, that's 10 cedis. And I used to do my nails and my toenails almost every 2 weeks. And you've chopped my money. Come and give me my money. You can make money from that. Like, just go somewhere and learn. Some people take like 150 cedis to teach you how to how to fix nails and do the pedicure and the manicure and things. You can go to those people, and I'm sure the money you will make from it will be more than that 150 or 200 cedis that you go and pay another person to teach you. Yeah. Okay guys, so I'll be ending it here because I just realized that the video is too long to be just one part. So I'll be making it into 2 parts, and I'll drop the part 2 like after this one, not the same day but later on. So thank you guys for watching. I love you all, and bye.